Ready to race. Racing. As they settled, we have entry number 5, Extreme Power. Break quickly at the start. Moving viral, Donna Miche to take the lead. Amazing Ferenzi is down in third. Moving upon the outside, Glance of the Wind. Maximum Exposure, Golden Hawk in the middle. Princess Jewel running alongside. Then followed over by entry number 9. And this one is Ideal Mind. And at the far turn, we have Donna Miche. This time by about 3 lengths. Moving upon the outside to take second is Glance of the Wind. Driving back into the Extreme Power as they swing for home. We have Donna Miche, this time by about 4 lengths. Glance of the Wind still in second. Extreme Power is down in third with about 150 meters more to run. It's still Donna Miche, followed by Glance of the Wind on the outside, but it's still Donna Miche, and finally Donna Miche. Glance of the Wind, Extreme Power, Maximum Exposure, Amazing Ferenzi, Fly, Aday Fly.
Okay, at ayan po yung ating unang buyers and cut. Unang tumawid ng finish line, number 1, Donna Miche. At sumigundo yung number 7, Glance of the Wind. Hanggang 0, Extreme Power. Bibigay ko po sa iyo yung 13, yung datingan ng 13. It's 1, 7, 5, 3, 4, 6, 9, 8, 2, 13, 10, 12, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 runners po yan. Kompleto po yung ating arrival. 1, 7, 5, 3, 4, 6, 9, 10, 2, 13, 10, 12, 11. Panoorin natin yung ating instant replay ng ating buyers and cut.